another Unity quick tip video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this really cute card by Gracielle Designs. The stamp is called Girl in Garden, and I love her dress. I'm using my Zig Cling Color Real brush pens, and the color that I'm using is Persian green. I decided I wanted to add a little bit of punch to this card. So I'm coming in with some purple. The best part about watercolors is you can really mix up your colors and it just kind of all blends and flows really pretty together. So I'm just adding it into certain spots and then dragging the color down throughout the dress to get it to blend. I'm adding a really soft pink to the outside. It's called Tea Rose. And now I'm going in with the same purple that I used for her dress. I wanted it to match nicely together. Pretty easy, right? For some fussy cutting. Sprinkling it on top. There you go. A really fun, pretty, delicate card. Thanks for watching. Bye!